Our rehabilitation camp for the persons with disabilities has been organized under the Lodhran pilot project with the special support of social leader Jahangir Khan Tareen. The camp, set up at 12 MPR Gelewal, is providing free medical checkups to the individuals from Lodhran and across country for prosthetic limbs. Following a 3-day OPD, eligible individuals will be called back to the camp for installation of prosthetic legs. According to the LPP spokesperson, this marks the 8th annual rehabilitation camp in Lodhran. Over the course of these 8 camps, more than 1,000 individuals with the disabilities have received prosthetic legs, enabling them to walk again. Additionally, near 300 wheelchairs have been distributed to those in need. Jahangir Khan Tareen reaffirmed his commitment to public welfare, stating that his mission of selfless service to the community will continue without any political motivation.